Guess what? We're back.
Hello, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecily.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life.
So today, we had every intention
Funny story.
of filming outside up at Aspen Grove, but little did you know, the woods are actually not a very peaceful place.
Every place, every area we tried, and I feel like we hiked maybe like a mile.
Yeah, total.
In between. Every place we tried had something happening. One, there was some construction going on across the street.
Fun.
Another one,
the river is actually very loud.
The river is very loud and created tons of background noise.
And they're cleaning up here today, so there were
leaf
blowers galore,
and people,
lawnmowers.
Good grief!
Yeah, it was out of control.
We thought, oh, harmony of nature.
Nope. So
Not
we're
so much.
inside.
So we're inside. This is my house. Welcome to my home. Fun. Yeah. You know, it might be funny to do a shot that goes around.
No, that wouldn't be
we're
funny.
Not going to show you.
That's not funny.
Because literally, this little 4-foot space right here is the only clean part.
It's just a very creative, chaotic place. That's all.
I have how many? Look, we can count the projects. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to count Brody's. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 projects going right now, and they're all set up at different stations around my dining room and living room.
Just in case, you know, you want to like take a break from one and then you go to another.
But let's be clear that we don't use our kitchen in the summertime very often because where I live, we eat with the staff
in the like cafeteria.
In a dining hall. It's a really long story. Maybe we'll tell that one someday. But anyway, welcome. We thought with summer here, it might be fun to talk about those t-shirts that you have that you're not wearing anymore. I know, I love a good graphic tee. If I go to a concert, you didn't go to the concert if you didn't get a tee.
How many concerts do you go to?
Okay, not very many.
Just curious. Just making it sound like she's a big concert goer over here.
That wasn't very nice. Okay, but it's true. I do have a bunch of concert t-shirts.
It's true.
And I like them, and I don't want to like give them away because they're sentimental. Because I go to so few, evidently, that the ones I go to mean a lot. Anyway.
Hey, good.
So, all right. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
And don't forget, if you like the video, like it, follow us, share it,
and subscribe.
We'll see you later.
Bye.